Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money at Navy Federal Credit Union in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned member or just joining, this guide will help you add funds quickly and securely. Navy Federal is all about making banking easy, and with their updated 2025 features, depositing money is faster than ever. Let's dive right in. First off, the most convenient way is through the Navy Federal mobile app. Download it from your app store if you haven't already. It's free for members. Once logged in, navigate to the Deposit section. You can deposit checks by snapping a photo. Just ensure your check is endorsed and the app is updated for 2025's enhanced security features. This method is super quick and can be done from anywhere. If you prefer online banking, head to the Navy Federal website. Log in with your credentials, go to the Transfers and Payments tab, and select Deposit Funds. You can transfer money from linked accounts like your external bank or even set up direct deposits for recurring payments. Remember, in 2025, they've added biometric login for extra safety, so keep that in mind. For those who like in-person interactions, visit a Navy Federal branch. Bring your cash, check, or money order, and a teller will assist you. Branches often have ATMs that accept deposits too. Just insert your card and follow the prompts. Pro tip: check the Navy Federal locator on their site to find the nearest one. One more option is through partners like shared branching networks if you're on the go. Always verify your account details before depositing to avoid any hiccups. Navy Federal might have slight changes in 2025, so double-check their official resources. Wrapping this up, depositing money at Navy Federal is straightforward and tailored to your lifestyle. Whether you're using tech or going traditional, you're set for success. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy.